What's up? I'm David from ChefsTemp. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up and use the Breezo Fan with the ProTemp S1. Let's dive in and see what's included with the fan. Inside the fan package, you'll find the Breezo Fan, Kamado style steel adapters, high temperature tubes, USB-C cables, and a 5-volt power adapter. Now let's go over how to mount the Breezo Fan to different types of grills and smokers. For grills with round holes, use one of the vent holes, squeeze the spring, and insert the Breezo. Seal any other gaps with high temperature flute tape, which is included. For Kamado style grills, use the mounting plate included in the fan package to secure it in place. And for offset smokers, you can attach the fan using the Kamado style plate inside the firebox door, or drill a 1 1/4 inch hole to mount the fan directly and seal other gaps with high temperature tape. Now let's connect your Breezo fan to power and the ProTemp S1. Use the USB-A to USB-C cable from the package and connect it to a power source or a power bank. The fan has 2 USB-C ports and either one works. Press the power button on the fan to switch it on. This is the only button on the fan. You can press it to switch between weak wind mode, strong wind mode, or off. If needed, long press the button to manually pair the fan with the S1, but it should connect wirelessly most of the time. Make sure your ProTemp S1 is powered on. The fan will connect wirelessly with the S1. Now open the ChefsTemp app on your phone. Go to the fan section and control it with 2 modes. For timer mode, you can set how long you want the fan to run and choose between weak and strong wind options. For temperature mode, set your desired ambient temperature and the fan will automatically maintain it. And that's it. You're now ready to use the Breezo Fan with your ProTemp S1. For more on ChefsTemp products or the ProTemp S1, visit our website or subscribe to our channel. Remember, the ProTemp S1 helps you smarten your grill in a snap.